Absolutely gorgeous morning. About 7,000 feet up in the Gila National Forest. I came up here to look for some red-faced warblers and some more painted redstarts, and also an olive warbler. All three of those are pretty rare. The olive warbler, whoa, tree branch, is definitely the rarest, but I'll be very happy if I get even 2 out of 3 of those. I've never seen an olive warbler, and I've actually never seen the red-faced warbler either. I just heard it. Not that. That. I just heard the red-faced warbler. All right, so I've been out here for about 37 seconds and we're on track for at least 1 out of the 3. That's pretty cool. Actually, I think I'm gonna turn around and stake out this area over here. I definitely hear a couple of the red-faced warblers. This area is absolutely gorgeous. And there is definitely nobody out here. There. That's the red-faced warbler. All right. I'm gonna get set up right here behind this tree. I'm gonna put my face. I gotta put my hat on. You know what else this hat is great for? Keeping away these stupid mosquitoes. They're everywhere now. Just starting to come out in this past week or so. And the gnats and the flies. But this thing helps a lot. Unless they get like straight into my eye, which has happened twice already. You hear that? Not that stupid jay. That's the red-faced warbler. All right, I'm gonna get my settings ready. The lighting here is not that great because we're in the forest. So the warblers are pretty fast, so and they're little flappy birds, you know. So I'm at 800ths of a second shutter speed, f8, and I want f8 because I want the depth of field. I don't want shallow depth of field out here because I'm afraid that I'll miss focus, and I would rather have. I know I'm going to be at an angle too because the warblers, they don't like to come down very much, so I know I'm going to be shooting at an angle. So having f8 is going to help out a lot, and I put it at auto ISO. I don't care if my ISO goes up to 6400. I really don't. I think the highest it'll go is probably 3,000 or 4,000. But if I can get them in the light, then that will help a lot, and that'll keep it down, and f8 will be very beneficial. All right, let's stop talking and start shooting. Those jays are so loud. There he is. I think I could be waiting here for a while. So I got this nice little guy right here, this little tree, tall grass. And what I'm hoping is I'm waiting for them to get on that side of me because the sun is back there, and so I really want them illuminated nicely. And I've been seeing them. So far they're staying on the tops of the trees, but I've seen them come down here a little bit. I think if we just wait a little bit longer. There he is again. Yep, he's right up in that tree. See if I can get a video clip. Kind of got him. Not good enough for a photo, but good enough for a video clip for the vlog. So that's technically my first look at a red-faced warbler. That's pretty cool. Sometimes that's right above me, or right over there. That's right over there. There he is. Game time. Game time. You got him right in the light. Holy cow. Holy cow. If this is the only bird I get today, I will be like 1,000% happy with that. Absolutely incredible. I just did not think that it would be. There he is again. There he is again. Oh, come on. Stay still. Shit. There. Got him again. Man, there is a lot of activity. I'm hearing a lot of other stuff. Some woodpeckers. Robins, of course. Something just flew right over there. There's a painted redstart right behind me. Holy shit, I can't turn around. He is right there behind me on the tree branch. Okay, I'm gonna try very carefully to turn around. That's the painted redstart. That's the painted redstart. He's really close. I am not a delicate creature. Okay. There he is again. I think I just got the painted redstart too. I got it. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if it's in focus or not, but... Well, I've been following him for a little while now. You can still hear him right behind me, but I got some pretty good shots. That's the red-faced warbler. And the painted redstarts right behind me. They're everywhere up here. Or maybe it's just a couple and they're just right here in this neighborhood. Either way, absolutely incredible that I got the shot. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I didn't get, unfortunately I couldn't get really any good footage of them handheld. I don't have my video tripod, and trying to do both stills and video and vlog and all that. That was the red start again. Not easy, but I did get that one little clip of the red-faced warbler. That was pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's definitely getting to second breakfast and tea time. I am quite parched. I would take my mask off, but there's still a lot of mosquitoes around. So I'm gonna say bye to you guys with my crazy birding hat on. But if you guys have any questions about anything, you know, the wildlife, the settings, anything like that, I definitely have other wildlife tutorials that are actually tutorials with good information. So you can check those out if you want to learn more about shooting small birds in the face. And if you have any questions in general though, just leave those in the comments below and you know I'll answer them. And definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got new videos every week. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. If I don't get eaten alive now that I took my mask off.